The French Drainman crew will be in Novi, Michigan today and tomorrow. If you're a contractor and you're heading to the show, make sure to find the French Drainman booth. If you are a homeowner and you want to hold one of our leaf filters, for example, or maybe see just how strong our pipe is, come on by, come visit us at our booth at the Novi Trade Show. We'll be more than happy to take time with each and every individual, as we have enough staff on hand to handle even a crowd. 2026 is going to be one of the biggest years ever. Drainage is up, contractors are reporting a lot of work, and yes, we are shipping full trucks direct with huge discounts to contractors and distributors all over the country. We have a lot of new signups. I want to welcome all the new distributors. You know who you are. We're happy to have you. Let us know in the comments where you want us to be next.